For this reason you will put a coin in the freezer before leaving home. Maybe it has happened to you that when you go on a trip and come home, your digital watches do not mark the time that it really is. Then you realize that everything has been because of a cut in electricity that you do not have even the most remote idea of when it was or how long it lasted. So obviously you suspect that other appliances could have been affected due to the cut? Perhaps the freezer, and you wonder if your food will still serve as commonly when they thaw and refreeze. The properties of these are decomposed. It really gives you a rage, and I think we all want to avoid it, right? Sheila Pulenko-Russell, from the United States, shared a great trick with all her contacts in her Facebook account, but being so great the idea was shared until it became viral. This trick was especially for those who would be evacuated from their homes due to Hurricane Matthew. However, this great idea is great if you plan to go on vacation and leave for a few days and totally abandon your home. So you will avoid passing an unpleasant situation with your food at the time of consuming them, because with the trick that we will teach you, you will know if your refrigerator was disconnected for a long period of time. Best of all, you need very little for this trick, just a coin, a cup and water. In her publication, Sheila explained the following to her contacts. The following trick is very easy but very effective. You only have to put a cup with water to the freezer, and when it is frozen, you should put a coin over and put the cup back. When you return from your trip, it will be possible to know if the food has been frozen all the time or if it has been thawed and refrozen afterwards. If on returning from your trip and checking the cup, the coin is at the bottom of it, it means that everything has been thawed and refrozen afterwards, so it is not advisable to ingest these foods, as they could be broken down and could hurt you. If otherwise the coin remains up, it means that there was no light cut and everything remained properly frozen, so you can consume your food with peace of mind. I even recommend leaving the cup all the time in the freezer. This way, if at any time there is an energetic cut for some reason, they will know. But if you are not sure about the state of food, it is best to throw them away. The main thing is and always will be health.